Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and replace the radio on this Nissan Sentra. So once you have 2019 and down and your interior look like this, it will be the same procedure to replace your radio. So first thing first, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and this part of the dash is soft, so you won't damage the dash or the radio. So you're gonna put your flathead screwdriver right between here, and then you want to pry back up on it. So once you pry up on it, you want to come right here, pry on that side, and do the same thing over here, but this side is tough, so you kind of use your finger to pull out to make the gap. And once you make the gap, you want to pull, and there's something there you gotta unhook. So you want to pull out and you lift up all the way, so tilt it up all the way, and it will come out because it have these hooks on it that hook into it. And after that, you're gonna have 4 Phillips screws, one right here, one right here, one right here, one right there, and we're gonna need to unplug. We need to unscrew those screws. We have our Phillips screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead and take this out right here. So once that's done, go ahead, take this out also, and remove the tool on this side as well. So put them where you can find them when you're ready to use them. And then you want to hold the radio and wiggle it up and down while pulling on it. Actually, that's not it. You gotta push up on the radio, because right here on the radio, hooks right here on both sides. So you want to lift up on the radio some, and then it will come out. You have the clips right here. You want to squeeze the clips, so you want to squeeze this right here, squeeze this right here, and pull back on it. Same thing for this one right here. Squeeze this, pull on it, squeeze this right here, pull on that, squeeze this right here, pull on that, and where's this one? You squeeze this one from right here and pull on it. So once you squeeze those, radio come out. So this is a 2019 and down. And also you just get the radios out. We're gonna put it back in. I already replaced this radio. I'm just showing you guys how to replace the radio on Nissan Sentra. So this one you don't need to program for like security or anything. It just works when you put it in, because this is not from this car. As you can see, you have writing on it, so it's from the junkyard. So it's a used radio. So maybe you can find the radio on Amazon or eBay. If I find it on Amazon, I'll leave a link. If I don't find it, and that's it. But you can find one on eBay. So you just want to go ahead, plug back everything up. You can't make a mistake. They will only go where they're supposed to go, so just make sure you don't leave any wire unplugged. So once everything is in, go ahead, put the radio in, and then you want to turn the car on, or just press the button one time, or turn the key one time. just so you can have the radio boot up to make sure the radio work. Set audio off. Okay, so there you go, the radio work. Turn that back off. You want to set the time and the date, so you press settings, go to clock. You can do this, you don't have to do this now, but you can do this whenever. 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. Set clock manually, or even when you connect your Bluetooth, the clock will set too. So it's 10 o'clock right now, so 10:53. So you want to go to 10:53. I'm gonna put it at 10:54 because it's gonna change anytime now. So 10:54. Today is the 7th of April, and today is April, the 4th month. And then we want to go to 2021, and that's it, guys. So when you finish, you press back. So once you finish, press back, and the time is now set correctly. Continue with your work. So now we have this right here. Make sure you put this back where it's supposed to go. The thicker part of the bezel go to the bottom, the slimmer part go to the top. Find the holes on the side. Once you find it and it goes in like that, you just kind of send it home just like that, guys. And that's it, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.